as a king before people can believe in you. The best way to help yourself is to help someone else. मंजिल इतनी आसान नहीं होती जितनी कि हम समझते हैं। मंजिल हासिल करने के लिए रास्ते में मुझे तमाम मुश्किलात से लड़ना पड़ता है। Be quiet but notice everything. Be humble, be hungry, and always be the hardest worker in the room. Never get so busy making a living you forget to make a life. वो लोग जो मुश्किल वक्त में आपके साथ खड़े रहते हैं वही आपके सच्चे दोस्त होते हैं। You cannot become what you want to be because you are too attached to what you have been. Stay in your lane. Keep your eyes and faith on yourself. People don't decide their future. They decide their habits that decide their future. आपके साथ खड़ा हर शख्स आपका दोस्त नहीं होता। I don't fix my problems. I fix my thinking, then problems fix themselves. कुछ लोग वैसे नहीं होते जैसे दिखाई देते हैं, इसलिए हर किसी पर यकीन ना करें। Nowadays, our government system your value will change over time. Helping one person might not change the world, but it might change the world for one person. If you want to make everyone happy, don't be a leader. You have to sell ice cream. You lead not by your words, but by example. The world is changing very fast. Nowadays, our education system to plant a tree is to believe in tomorrow. The rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. We all need to have a deep think about what kind of impact we make. Just keep moving forward and don't give a shit about what anybody thinks. The first step is always the hardest. Your cell phone has already replaced your watch, alarm, clock, calendar, and camera. Don't let it replace your family. If you guys like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. As a king, before people can believe in you. The best way to help yourself is to help someone else. मंजिल इतनी आसान नहीं होती जितनी कि हम समझते हैं। मंजिल हासिल करने के लिए रास्ते में मुझे तमाम मुश्किलात से लड़ना पड़ता है। Be quiet but notice everything. Be humble, be hungry, and always be the hardest worker in the room. Never get so busy making a living you forget